Hello, and welcome to our 3210 presentation. In this video, we will walk through the process of how we casted a buzz sculpture out of chocolate. The materials we used for this project included chocolate, silicone, a plastic container, cookware, a buzz statue, rubber bands, a thermometer, a brush, and edible gold luster dust. To create the silicone mold, the buzz statue was anchored to the bottom of the plastic container. A silicone mixture was created by mixing the catalyst and the base of the Copyflex silicone kit. Buzz was then painted with a layer of silicone mixture to avoid having air bubbles stuck in the mold. The remaining silicone was then poured into the container and allowed to cool. The final mold was created by partially cutting the mold open to remove the buzz statue and minimize weld lines. Before pouring, the chocolate required tempering. This gives the chocolate a smooth and glossy finish and prevents it from melting at room temperature. The chocolate was broken into small pieces, placed in a bowl over boiling water, and stirred for even melting. Once the chocolate reached 110 degrees Fahrenheit, we removed the chocolate from the burner and cooled it to 95 degrees. Finally, more chocolate was added and melted to conclude the tempering process. At the start of the casting process, the first step was to prepare the silicone mold by wrapping rubber bands around it to ensure it was clamped. The mold was secured for pouring, and chocolate was poured in through the top of the mold. Because chocolate is fairly viscous, it acts similarly to a polymer. Therefore, we were not worried about the effects of turbulence. As a result, we poured fast enough to avoid the chocolate from hardening at room temperature while ensuring accuracy of pouring. Due to the chocolate's greater viscosity, air can become trapped in the mold. To prevent this, the mold was shaken to allow air to escape easily. After pouring the chocolate, the mold was placed in a refrigerator to cool.
2 hours later.
After the chocolate finished hardening, the mold was carefully peeled apart to remove the chocolate product. The last step in the manufacturing process was surface treatment, in which the chocolate buzz was coated in gold luster dust, thus creating the finished product.
Good afternoon, sir. Could we interest you in some chocolate?
Chocolate! Chocolate! Chocolate!